everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 6th to the 10th of April 2026 on Monday. Isaac withdraws from political race for Maria's safety. Nkosi's word in the press and his relationship with Palisa, and Mampo urges Maria to behave for a pre-wedding dinner with Magumede on Tuesday. Nkosi finally stand up for Palisa, publicly declaring their relationship despite the backlash. Soga insists Musa belongs at the family dinner, brushing off Mampo's concern on Wednesday. Isaac nervously prepares for a dinner with Magumede, while Maria worries her unconventional family might clash with Magumede's traditional values on Thursday. With Usoga's car beyond repairs, he faces crushing financial pressure just days before his wedding. Denied a bank extension, he reluctantly takes a high-interest loan, adding to the stress of expensive wedding cost on Friday. Mampo reconciles with Magumede, and Musa Isaac celebrates his election victory, and Soga faces financial stress, struggling to ask for help despite support from friends. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.